Alright, so today this is my personal review of my Nomad N4 2019, I think. So this is the 10 color and it's a size large. It's got a Yari in front. Wheelset is a mixer of cruiser, Taiwanese hubs, as well as nuke-proof neutron, and it's laced with semi titanium spokes. You can see the color, slight color differentiation here versus the rest are all black, and after which the discs are Cruz 203s, the brakes are Magura MT5s, the grips are your basic SDGs, and with regards to the stem, it's a race face Chester, then after which the handlebar itself is a rental, so it's fully aluminum here. Air shock, the old Next SL, I think Next 5, 6-pack pedals, nylon of course, the Maguras, a bit of a titanium bling going on. Your tires are the Michelin Wild Racer, and this is rear specific 2.35. There you go. Nice knobs. This is the first day I'm trying. It's absolutely beautiful. I think I'm falling in love with Michelin. These are Taiwanese, Chinese made 11-speed cassette. So they've got the rainbow slick gold there, and it's 11 to 46 if I'm not wrong. Same goes with the chain, also Chinese, Taiwanese made. Personally, they're relatively similar in my opinion with regards to the Eagles. The only thing is just branding. I mean, at the end of the day, your chain is a wear and tear kind of thing, you gotta change it. So far I've been using this quite a bit. I went downhill on this, I went enduro on this. Does not have any problems whatsoever. And the chain is a 30 teeth, move tooth components, 104 BCDs. So these are the older parts, and then after which the BB is with the what do you call that, race face ones. And it's got a bash guard at the bottom. That one is the fun bash guard. And after which you're talking about my 11-speed XT rear, and mated with a regular SLX 11-speed as well. So yeah, nothing too fancy if you ask me. Very basic components. Even the Cane Creek is the 10, and after which some nice words over there with regards to like not riding, all work and no play, it's no fun at all. And over here I have this habit, I put up all the weight of my bicycles over there, and the reason being because I travel a lot with bicycles, so to me it's quite good that I know the weight of the bike plus the weight of the bag, and then I can see what else I can put inside the bike bag. So it's a Duster SDG, this one is titanium, and after which Branx dropper 31.6, and this is a 120 if I'm not wrong. So makes it with the new Branx lever as well. I think it's better than the old one, not as flimsy, that's what it needs to do, and it's very affordable. Sorry about this being blurred, I'm using a regular phone, and it's a regular Huawei phone. Like I said, if there's going to be traction, maybe I'll invest in more stuff, but if not, then something which I don't think I will be doing it all the time anyways. So that's my Nomad N4 180 front, 160 rear, and I think it's a good bike. It does what it needs to do. It plows you upwards and it sends it when it goes down. Stable, comfortable, and it's just a dream to ride. I wouldn't change this for any other bike, because I used to have the N3, I didn't like it, and that was carbon, this aluminum, but I still prefer this one. So yeah, that's That's the N4.